Well, here she is, taking a look at her. 275 XC, 2-speed high flow XPS. Gonna do a quick walk around. Take a quick look. This little black thing, that's a camera technology. Why don't we just take a quick look? That's gonna be an easy track to keep clean with all that open space. Final drives on many CTLs is kind of an Achilles heel. It looks like Cat finally listened to a lot of people, a lot of feedback, and put a pretty robust guarding on the hydraulic lines leading to the final drives. From my opinion, I always thought Cat had very good track design, so we'll slow her down and give you a good look. Many machines have issues with debris building up underneath the loader arms. Well, there's nothing here for debris to get built up on. A common vulnerability point for many machines is right underneath the lift cylinders, packs up with debris, and when you bring the boom down, it bends those cylinders, sending metal shavings all through your hydraulics. This design is very free-flowing. There doesn't look to be a whole lot of issues with debris underneath the lift cylinders, as they're almost vertical. Not sure what this little linkage is. Take a look on the back side of the cylinders and see if there's any pockets for debris buildup. Hydraulic hoses look a little exposed on the backside. Not the end of the deal, but something to note. There's lighting or cameras everywhere you look in this thing. Ground clearance according to CAT is 11 inches. And of course, more is always more, but 11 inches, that's respectable. Talking with the Cat salesman, pre-plumbed for external rear hydraulics. Winch? Oh yeah. Quite a bit different from the 299. Substantially more room around the fittings than its predecessor. Looks like there should be no issues with wrenches, and if you choose to have screw-on fittings. The elephant in the room is now there's a pressure relief right on your hydraulic manifold like some of the other manufacturers do, and when you go to hook up, hydraulic hoses and fittings and attachments, that little pressure relief is a lot easier than trying to jump into the cab and wiggle the joystick. Wasn't able to get a good shot, but where the hydraulic quick attach comes, there's actually steel braided cable that runs right with the hoses, so if a tree or branch tries to pull on them, it won't pull your hydraulic hoses. The round pre-filter is standard. This one's an option. Some pockets for debris, but overall pretty decent design. You'll never know how much you need exterior lighting until you need it and you don't got it. I can see a single torsion undercarriage being a good balance of kind of a stiff undercarriage, but also not being completely jarring either. I've always liked Cat's triple flange track, and those idlers and rollers are pretty beefy. Quick shot of the factory rear bumper. Side camera. Decent step to enter the cab. You actually control the volume and stations of the radio on the left joystick. Pretty good visibility to the cutting edge of your bucket. So right there, you disconnect that one electrical connection and you can lift the door completely off. You know, some of the other brands have those roll-up doors and they're a love-hate relationship, but you know, if you need to get out and your boom's raised, at least you can get out with the roll-up door. With this, it looks like you can actually take the door off from the inside. Now the door is going to fall on the ground, but if you need to take the door off when you're in the cab, at least you can.